Hello, this setup is done to test this waterproof ultrasonic level sensor. You can see this kind of sensor behind cars, and we'll use this for water level control. I have tested it on water and it works perfectly well. So here is the controller. It is running on battery and it has got a relay to run this control valve. It is a motorized valve and it is connected to the mains. Okay, so the set, and we consider this wall as water here, and you can see this controller is sending data through Wi-Fi to the cloud, so you can see the distance in this mobile phone as well. So the setup is such that when we are closer to 30 centimeter to the water, this valve should turn close. So yeah, so that no more water can fill into the tank. And then when we are far away, more than 1 meter, the water level is more than 1 meter from this level sensor, the valve should turn open again. So I am going further away. You see, yeah. So the valve turning open, so the water can flow into the tank. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.